chicken breast, salt and pepper, half a teaspoon of red or orange food color, fresh green chili to taste, 1 teaspoon chili, turmeric, cumin, coriander, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons oil, 3 cups of yogurt, fresh coriander. Absolutely super fab they are, really good. 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, handful there of curry leaves, salt, and here's our lamb. It's a nice lean cut lamb, about a pound there, above medium heat, 5 minutes, stirring often. Fabulous. 1 cup of onion, fresh chili to taste, 5 more minutes. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of, we're gonna go for 2 minutes. 1 teaspoon each, turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, 3 cups fresh tomatoes, 2 cups water for 8 to 10 minutes. So you can see that the tomatoes are broken down beautifully, of black pepper, 2 cups of cooked chickpeas, 1 cup coconut milk. We're now going to put this on a nice low simmer. Garam masala powder, creamy, spicy and delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. I'm using a sunflower oil. Just a few seconds with those cumin seeds. Then we're going to drop in our onion. Just a couple of minutes on a high heat there. The green peas. In goes our garlic ginger paste. I'm going to add some salt. Okay, let's add some fresh chili. 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 cumin, 1 turmeric, 1 chili. In that goes. Now let's drop in our paneer or our cheese. 400 ml of coconut milk. Absolutely beautiful. Off goes the heat. Fresh cilantro or coriander, garam masala powder. That's a beauty. Hope you enjoy that. Mustard oil, the cumin seeds, curry leaves, and then we're going to drop in the onion. We're now going to drop in our garlic ginger paste. Then we're going to add our cooked dal, the yellow mung dal, some salt, teaspoon of coriander, cumin and turmeric, and 2 of chili powder. I've got some fresh chili. Very simply, let's get some water and get that in, and we let that go for about 20 minutes. I'm going to go in with some beautiful fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, and job is a good one. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. So I've got some hot oil there. Let's drop in our whole seeds, the black cardamom, the cinnamon and the cumin seeds. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop in our meat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. Beautiful, just nice bit of colour on there. Next up, we're going to drop in our onion. Fabulous. Next up, let's get a little bit of salt in there. I'm going to drop in my chilies. And like I said, I'm just put mine in whole like that. Chop them if you want. And then 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. We're now going to drop in our spices. 1 turmeric, 2 cumin, 3 chili powder, teaspoons that is. Next up, I'm going to go in with those fresh tomatoes. We want those tomatoes to break down. So I'm just going to go with some water here. Lid's going to go on. I'm going to come back in about 25 to 30 minutes. And that is beautiful. Fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. Give that a mix. That is delicious. Let me get that on a plate. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Bone in, skin on chicken, 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. Okay, so in the pan there, I've got like 3 or 4 tablespoons corn oil. Here's 2 teaspoons cumin seeds. And we're going to be frying this around for 6 minutes. I'll be turning it over fairly often. Onion, garlic, ginger, salt. Got maybe half a tablespoon there. I've got 2 teaspoons chili, 2 coriander, 1 cumin and 1 turmeric. About 3 or 4 cups, 5 to 6 minutes. Methi or kasuri methi, which is a dried fenugreek leaves. You drop it in your hand like so and you rub it in. That's like half a cup. Beautiful stuff. Well done everyone. I hope you enjoy it. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Today we'll be cooking lamb fry. So I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. We're going to go with salt and pepper, chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander powders, ginger garlic paste. Really simply, going to give that a little mix in there. So here we are at the cooker. I've got like 2 tablespoons of oil in there and I'm dropping in those cumin seeds, the seasoned lamb. For about 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to be throwing this around, stir frying it around. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to get that 1 cup of onion and drop that in. 4 or 5 minutes or so. Next up, we're going to add some fresh chili. The amount's up to you. We're going to take that 1 tomato, drop that in. Then again, about another 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, and off goes the heat. Fabulous stuff. Right, some coriander, cilantro. That's a nice, easy, quick lamb or mutton fry. Lamb's liver fry. So you can see that I've put the liver, the heart and the kidney in. Coriander, garam masala powder, cumin and chili, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. I'm also now going to add salt to this, tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then a little bit of oil. But you can see I've got a glove on because we're going to go in and we're going to give this a little mix up. We're going to take our mixture here and in it goes. 4 minutes stirring this all the time. Sliced onion and drop that in. Fabulous. Okay, let's get all that chili in. Like I say, I'm using quite a lot. I just like a little bit of tomato in at the end. So those tomatoes just give it a little bit of moisture. Off goes the heat. Let's get that on a plate. And there you have it. Absolutely divine. Very spicy, that one, because of the amount of chili I've put in. But yeah, that's delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you very soon. Okay, let's get started with this. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. And to that, I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds and 3 green cardamoms. Skin is on, bone is in. And we're on just below a medium heat. You can see I've got some different parts, bits of legs, wings and what have you. Get some salt in there. Okay, so that's like 6 or 7 minutes. Take this chicken out. Okay, so I've reduced that oil right down. 1 cup of onions cut nice and small. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. I'm going to add some salt. 3 teaspoons of coriander. 1 of turmeric. 1 of cumin and 1 of chili. And 1 garam masala. And to that I'm going to add 250 grams of tomato paste. Okay, next up I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk. It's like 100 ml of coconut milk and 100 ml of water. We're now going to reintroduce our chicken in here. Lid's going to go on. Leave that for 10 to 12 minutes. And there you go. That is delicious. Potato curry. I've got a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, turmeric and chili powder. We're going to get that all in. 4 or 5 tablespoons of oil, a couple of teaspoons here of cumin seeds, and then if you can get them, some fresh curry leaves. What we're going to do is we're going to drop in our potatoes that have been coated 5 to 6 minutes. Drop in that 1 cup of the onion, the 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, fresh chili to taste. Like I say, up to you what you want to put in. Incredible. Okay, let's get in our tomatoes, 2 cups, 1 teaspoon chili, cumin, turmeric, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, 2 cups of cold water, cilantro. I hope you enjoy it. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. I've got some oil in there. The heat is on, that's quite hot. Let's drop these in. So that was the cumin seeds, the green cardamom pod, and dried red chili. Okay, let's get in our onion and our potato straight away. Just gonna add some salt, 3 minutes, wonderful stuff. Let's drop in our garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of there. Next up, we're gonna go in with those tomatoes. We're gonna add our fresh chili there. We're gonna add the spices, let's take a look. 1 teaspoon of turmeric and then 2 of cumin, coriander and chili. In that goes. Beautiful, that's 5 minutes. Very simply, we're gonna add just a little bit of water. Prawns or shrimps, whatever you call them. We're gonna mix these in and let them go just for like 4 or 5 minutes. They'll cook super quickly. Off goes the heat, and that is wonderful. Check it for salt. Nice big pinch of garam masala powder. Fresh cilantro, little mix. So easy, so beautiful. Get your rice ready. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.